Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean, structured Excel source. Convert ranges into a table so Power BI reads consistent columns. Press Ctrl+T and name the table. Once done, save the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint. This enables cloud connectivity and scheduled refresh. Make sure you have Power BI Desktop installed and that you sign in with the same organizational account used for OneDrive. This avoids permission conflicts. Next, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data to begin linking your prepared workbook. In Power BI Desktop, use Get Data and select Excel, then pick the table or named range you created. Once loaded, click Transform Data to open Power Query Editor. Here you remove unnecessary columns, set correct data types, filter rows, and apply pivots or unpivots so the model matches reporting needs. Make sure to give meaningful column names and create calculated columns if needed. When transformations are complete, choose Close and apply to load the clean dataset into the report canvas for visualization and relationships. Publish your report from Power BI Desktop to the Power BI service and place it in the appropriate workspace. Once published, go to the dataset settings to configure data source credentials. Use OAuth for OneDrive/SharePoint and set a refresh schedule so the report stays current. If your Excel file is on a local drive instead, install and configure an on-premises data gateway. One key troubleshooting tip: if refresh fails, first verify account permissions and that the file path or OneDrive sync is correct before changing credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.